gratis oven.
The touch up on the plaster isn't quite dry yet. I can't quite finish that this evening. I think it needs another few hours to dry, so I guess we'll continue with that in the morning. So what I can do is I'm gonna put a first layer of colour on the ceiling, as in white, so we'll just do that instead. The next morning, the touch-ups that we made yesterday are now dry, so we're going to sand them down and then it's ready to primer the walls. So let's carry on making some dust. I'm now going to install the closets for this and Sophia's closet behind the camera. It was a bit of a faff with the lights, but that's installed now. I didn't film a lot of it because it was basically me standing in front of the camera because the closet is so small. It's not enough room for filming and me doing the work, but we need a cable channel thingy for the cable up there to tidy up that bit, and then we need some cable tidy up channels along the back here to tidy that up. And then I got 2 more lights. One will be somewhere around there, and then another one, I'll probably get another 2, so the other 2 are stuck against the wall, so that when you have the drawer open you still have light, but you also have a bit of light in the drawer beneath it. So yeah, there you have it. The closet, or my closet, as far as we can complete it at the minute, with the missing shelves behind me and some lights that we need doing and some tidying up the cables. Pretty much done. Well, and we need to put a bit of carpet down here. Right, we have a finished, painted, well, it's not finished. Let's start again. Yeah. So, a painted room. The ceiling is white, the walls are grey, most of the walls. This wall we haven't done anything to as such. This is going to be decorated with a special, we basically make this into a feature wall. Stay tuned for the floor. Okay, so the underfloor is now down. It's not a very great quality floor. It's just popping up, and it's not very nice to work with, this material. It just cracks when you're trying to cut it, etc. So it's a bit, yeah, what can I say? We'll make do with this room, but for the next room we're not going to continue with this underfloor. This is not great stuff. So I'll fill in some little gaps along the edges here and there. And then it's time to lay the floor. Woo! Exciting. So what do you think?
Nice. I'm just trying to let the floor to channel through my body, through my feet, and so I'm not barefooted. It's alright. It's not what I expected. I think I've always lived in a carpeted house, so having wooden floor is a little bit weird. It feels like an office, like not home office, office.
So we've done the walls, the ceiling, and now the floor. So the only wall in this room that hasn't been addressed is the one behind me. Wood finish, whatever it's called on here. Apparently it's going to look really nice. I've not seen it yet as such. Never done one before, so it's going to be interesting to see how it's going to turn out. What I do know is that we have to put a frame on the wall to which we then attach the boards that make up this feature wall. So these are the boards that we're going to put against the wall. Whichever way is up. I think either way, it doesn't matter. Yeah, they go against this framework, and then we're going to use these clips because there's a little groove in them, like so. Oh dear. So they're basically held in place like so. So you have an invisible fastener holding the whole thing in place. So that's sort of the idea and intention of it. So let's start with the bottom row. Okay, now when you have the brackets all fitted, one of the boards with the little grooves which hooks into the little brackets. And then you take some more of the brackets, but now you, instead of having them this way around, you place them upside down and you screw them in place to make sure that the boards don't fall off the wall. So it took me a little while to figure out, but by basically swapping these clips around between something like this and this, you can generate steps so that these boards sit in different steps from each other. So Sophia has got some more anger issues. She now decided to throw an oven off the balcony for entertaining value. I think we're going to stand back a little bit.
Are you not going to help?
I think things are going to be dangerous.
Are you not going to help?
I have to hold the camera.
Move everybody. Oh my god, nearly slipping down. Oh, goodbye, stupid 40s oven. Damages my lawn.
Oh, is it broken? Oh, it's a little bit broken.
you.